If humor were magic, your dogs would probably rule the world right now, with their every move represented cuteness. Hey, remember, drinks are bought with money, not with jumps. Persuasion skills are not always expressed through words.
Oh, hi, baby. Hi, puppy.
Extending your working hours becomes a boon when you have a follower like this.
Hi. Oh, hello. Oh, yes. Hi, baby. Hi, puppy.
Here, I'll pull that here.
Bagel.
They've always been.
You've had enough of your best friend's madness.
Hello, ladies. Oh,
Bagel.
honey, this is way too long.
When your enthusiasm is at level 100. Someone must need to shower immediately to meet your girlfriend. No one's normal having best friends. Your brain goes on strike for 1 minute, be like, you don't want your bestie to be alone in anything. Human, give the correct sign to enter the house. If you don't believe in perfection, think of our dog's cuteness.
Nope.
Remember, money can't buy happiness.
Nope. Nope.
Fastest way to get a six-pack.
What do you have? Is that a pancake?
Anything can be given up, except your favorite food.
Reezy, what is that? Is that a pancake? No. Can I have it back? Can I have it back? Drop it. Drop it.
Come on. You ready?
Don't let your weight interfere with your dreams.
Come on, go. Come on, we can do it. Come on, we can do it.
I'll make you do it.
Learning debating skills is so important.
Go, yeah. That's it. Go.
You already know. We fought obesity about third grade reference in your mind.
Get off.
Your passion is biting, but you still want to receive good boy cards.
Good morning, Grandma. Good morning. See? No food. What, you like to taste my skin? He licked my skin. He's giving
giving you a kiss, Grandma.
Oh, I'm afraid.
Weedle also needs a strategy.
He's telling you to move.
Hey, Carter.
His legs must contain Hulk's power.
Cora!
Good filter. Be ready all the time. When you're a fan of Messi,
I can see your eyes.
don't wonder if dogs can't win the game of hide and seek.
Sir, what are you doing?
Mom goes out and you be like, hugging beautiful girls is still better than hugging work. You say you need to lose weight, and this is what your best friend does.
Are you a human trapped in a dog? Are you?
Making the most of water is the best way to protect the environment. Hopefully the janitors won't see this. You and your boyfriend have a long-distance relationship. Losing weight is easy if soulmate's body makes you satisfied. Being obedient seems like a challenge that dogs just can't overcome.
Coda! Grandma's not gonna play with you. Grandma's not gonna play with you. Get over here.
Don't play with the cuteness of the dog. Dogs are experts at summoning your joy, aren't they? Don't forget to repay them with love. Thanks.